Naches Pass. Over this spot in 1853, past the wagon wheels of the pioneers seeking homes on the evergreen wonderland of Puget Sound via dangerous Naches Pass. Thanks to their courage and endurance, this high country was opened to settlement and cultivation. There's your history lesson today. Naches Pass. This trail's fun. Might be a little slick though. Known for being muddy. Wet already. Keep going. This trail gets super wet. Might just want to take the fire road. Spots. I think there are, as long as we just creep through. Still on my little Naches Pass trail. A lot of Jeepers love this. It's a famous Jeep trail, to be honest, I think. Whatever famous means for a Jeep trail, but a lot of people come out here on their Jeeps. In their Jeeps. Cool out here. Always forget how awesome this
in the fall of 1853, the people of the Longmere wagon train spent 2 days in this meadow, resting and preparing for their descent down the west side into Puget Sound area. Yep, beautiful meadow. Wow, look at that with the mist rolling through and stuff. Astoundingly beautiful out here. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is the Pacific Crest Trail too that comes right through here that I'm walking on. Anyway, bike's over here. Let's go back over here. Yeah, pretty cool little kicking it zone. We're gonna continue on.
Sketchy bridge. Naches Pass. Over this spot in 1853, past the wagon wheels of the pioneers seeking homes on the evergreen wonderland of Puget Sound via dangerous Naches Pass. Thanks to their courage and endurance, this high country was opened to settlement and cultivation.